Does a trust protect your assets from lawsuits? Yes, but only if it's the right kind. This is the business guy, the CEO of the Lawyers Limited Law Firm and Asset Protection Planners, and for 34 years I've been helping people shield their wealth. And today we're answering the question in detail: which trusts work, why, and how you can use them. So this is your ultimate guide packed with stories, stats, and real advice. So stick around, and if you find it valuable, hit subscribe or follow. If you haven't, let's dive in. Right off the bat, yes, trusts can protect your assets from a lawsuit, but not every trust does. Think of trusts like cars. Some are built for speed, others just kind of putter along. A revocable living trust? It's a tractor or a golf cart. Great for estate planning, but useless for lawsuits. Creditors can grab it because you control it. An irrevocable asset protection trust, that's your race car, designed to shield your wealth when the legal vultures circle. For example, at assetprotectionplanners.com, we've set up more Cook Islands trusts than anybody in the world since 1996, by the way. Why? Because they're unbeatable. One client, Mark, faced a $3 million lawsuit after a business deal went south. His Cook Islands trust held $2 million of investments. We protected his house, savings, everything that he had. The creditor got nothing. So that's the power of having the right trust. But let's break it down. Why are lawsuits such a threat, and how do these trusts work? Lawsuits aren't just for TV dramas, they're a daily reality. The US has over 1.3 million lawyers, one for every 250 people. Now compare that to Germany, where it's 1 in 1,000 people are lawyers. In 2023, civil lawsuits hit 15 million, 41,000 new cases daily per the National Center for State Courts. That's a lawsuit every 2 seconds. And 80% target people or businesses with money. Not just fault, they're going after money, says the American Bar Association. So take Jane, a real estate agent. She sold a house, buyer found mold, sued for $1 million. Jane's $500,000 savings exposed because she didn't have a trust. Or consider this, 40% of civil cases are contract disputes, 20% personal injury, 10% family law. Slip on a wet floor, fender bender, messy divorce, bam, you're in court. Lawyers don't care about your side. They're lions and you're lunch. So how do you fight back? In fact, you might be thinking, I'm a doctor, not a millionaire. I'm fine. Wrong. Physicians faced $55 billion in malpractice suits yearly per the AMA. True. But everyday folks get hit too. Earn over $100,000? Your lawsuit risks jumps 50%. Own a home? Add 30%. The more you have, the bigger the target. Meet a guy named Tom, a mechanic with $300,000 saved. His son caused a minor crash, no injuries. The other driver sued for $1 million, claiming trauma. Now, Tom's insurance capped at $200,000. His savings vanished. Deep pockets get picked, period. So whether you're a surgeon, landlord, or just a parent with a nest egg, you're at risk. And that's why trusts matter. But I've got insurance, you say. Sure, it helps until it doesn't. Divorce? Insurance doesn't cover your ex taking half. Big lawsuit? A 2022 Insurance Information Institute study found that 15% of injury cases exceed policy limits. One client, Lisa, had a $1 million policy. A car wreck lawsuit hit, $3 million, and her house was gone. Insurance companies love exclusions. Sorry, it's not covered. I heard of a guy whose claim got denied because his accident happened during a full moon. Policy didn't cover lunar events. Okay, now I made that up. But the point stands. Policies protect them, not you. Trusts, they protect you if they're irrevocable and set up properly, regardless. Okay, so how does an irrevocable trust work? Simple. You involve a trustee, an independent overseer. Creditors can't touch it because it's not yours anymore. It belongs to your trust. A bank account in your name? Fair game. An irrevocable trust? The trustee says no dice. Now, the ABA says these block 95% of creditors' claims when done right. But here's the kicker. At Asset Protection Planners, we turbocharge this. Our Cook Islands trusts include a Cook Islands LLC inside. You're the manager. We put a bank account inside the LLC, so you're the signatory on the bank account. So we got the trust, LLC inside, bank account goes in the LLC. You're the manager of the LLC and the signatory on the bank account. Lawsuit hits, our licensed bonded trustee company steps in to protect you. So one client named Steve faced a $5 million business lawsuit lawsuit. His $4 million trust, cash, stock, real estate stayed safe. Creditors cried, but the trustee didn't budge. So that's the magic of such a structure. Now, an asset protection trust, or APT, is an irrevocable trust with teeth. Spendthrift clauses stop creditors cold. Assets stay locked in until distributed. Now, spendthrift, that's where you have a beneficiary who spends recklessly. So parents set this up. A trustee can step in and stop the outflow of money and restrict the outgo. This is also incorporated into asset protection trust, where the trustee can step in and prevent the assets in the trust from going to your judgment creditor. So with an asset protection trust, you can shield cash, homes, investment real estate. In fact, we add equity stripping arrangements to shield domestic assets such as real property. It can shield art, jewelry, even that vintage Mustang you love. So flexibility meets strength. A client, John, a retailer, put $2 million into a Cook Islands trust he set up with us. A supplier sued for $3 million over a contract dispute. John's trust, untouchable. Creditors pounded sand. Asset protection trusts are vaults. Creditors can knock, but the door is bolted. Now, domestic asset protection trusts exist in 17 states. Nevada, Delaware, South Dakota. Convenient, sure, but weak. Laws vary. Ex-spouses or tort creditors might be able to break through. Worse, a lawsuit in California can ignore Nevada rules. A 2021 study says that 50% of domestic asset protection trust challenges succeed. Offshore asset protection trusts, like our Cook Island setups, are steel-clad. U.S. judgments don't apply. Creditors must fight in the trust's jurisdiction. So here's why offshore wins. Number one, travel nightmare. Cook Islands are 14 hours from New York. Creditors need to hire a local lawyer, no freebies. Win rate there, under 2%. With the trust we set up, I'm not aware of anybody losing money from one of our Cook Islands trusts. So the laws favor you. In fact, now that I think about it, I don't ever remember even one of our clients having to face a lawsuit in the Cook Islands itself with the trust we established. Number two, tight deadlines. Fraudulent transfer claims, 1 to 2 years in the Cook Islands versus 4 to 10 in the U.S. Miss it and you're done. Now, the assets are protected right away. Don't get me wrong. They're protected immediately, but of course will refuse to hear a challenge against a transfer into a trust after the statute of limitations has run out. The courts won't even entertain a case in the Cook Islands, but the assets are protected immediately. Number three, crazy proof. Beyond a reasonable doubt standard, like proving you stole the Mona Lisa blindfolded. Lose? They pay the fee, so the losing party has to pay your attorney's fees. We've done this for nearly 30 years, multitudes of trusts, zero cracks, and that's why we're the Cook Islands king. Now, lawsuits don't die with you. Estates get hit also. Greedy kin, old debts, an asset protection trust locks it down. Helen, a widow, left $1.5 million to her kids in a Cook Islands trust. Now, her estranged nephew sued. Forced heirship laws didn't apply offshore. He got zip. Your wishes, not theirs rule. So here's a stat for you. 25% of estates face legal challenges post-death, per a 2023 probate study. Offshore asset protection trusts dodge that bullet. Here's something not many people know. Trusts aren't people. They can't be sued directly. Action targets the trustee or the beneficiaries. In the Cook Islands, U.S. rulings bounce off. In fact, Mike faced a $10 million lawsuit. His $8 million trust shrugged. Creditors quit after 6 months. Structure it right and you're golden. Now let's get real. Susan, a doctor, faces $6 million malpractice suit. Her $5 million Cook Islands trust, set up with us, held firm. Creditors flew over, lost, paid her fees. Or take Paul, a landlord, a tenant sued for $2 million over a fall. His $1.5 million asset protection trust, untouched. So these aren't hypotheticals. 34 years and hundreds of wins. So how do you start? Step one, go irrevocable. Offshore is the best. Step two, pick the Cook Islands. Also Belize or Nevis, where we set up trusts as well. Those are our specialty. Step number three, use professionals. 76% of DIY trusts fail, per a 2020 study. In fact, at Asset Protection Planners, we've got 34 years of proof. Now, if you're already facing a lawsuit or about ready to face one, jump right in. But if you want to, you can start with $50,000 if you're testing the waters. Better than a bank. Act before the lawsuit starts. Timing is really everything, especially with a divorce case, because once a divorce is filed, there's a financial restraining order preventing us from doing anything. So act quickly. One client waited, lost $1 million. Don't be that guy. So does a trust protect your assets from a lawsuit? The answer is yes. Irrevocable, offshore, done right. I spent 34 years doing this, nearly 30 of them setting up Cook Islands trusts, proving it. At assetprotectionplanners.com, we've built more of these than anybody. So if you want more, you can go ahead and hit our site, get more free information there at assetprotectionplanners.com. Link below. Love this, subscribed. We're dropping more every week, so protect your wealth. It's yours to keep. This is The Business Guy.